Back for another day. We took a loss, but it's fine. I mean, nothing I could have done against it. So there was a 1 hour close down here after sweeping this high. We swept this high, which is last week's high. Well, last week's no, overnight highs. Then we swept London lows, but you can see that we swept London lows and we had this Fairvalue gap that got ignored, but then there was these like equal 5 minute highs, I guess you can call them. We didn't get to tap them, and then we close below structure on this 5 minute candle. At this point, I'm thinking, okay, let me just delete all of this. At this point, I'm thinking, okay, there's a 1 hour power of 3 of coming, so I'm watching for like this order block right here to get respected. I was not willing to bet immediately on this right here. Stop was there, and then TP was somewhere down there. I was not willing to bet on that immediately just because it could just wake me out and then go. Once I see this getting respected, I placed an order here because I thought that this would be 5 minute manipulation up until here, that line over there. You can see it gets respected up until that candle over there. And the 5 minute was barely flat. So this next candle opens and I'm thinking, okay, there's this right here, this bearish order block. There's this tiny fair value gap, which in all honesty, I wasn't even counting. We closed below 5 minute structure. Okay. We closed below that. 15 minute was looking bullish. It was looking bearish. We had this indecisive candle right here. Maybe I could have, waited for the tap here, but either way, everything was just screaming bearish. 1 hour closed below. There was a gap here. So for me, it made a lot of sense to do that. This 4 hour, we got this sweep and then it closes down here. So again, looks pretty bearish to me. I got in with a limit order here. Stop was there. I took a 1.6, trying to take, just less risk to reward trades and try to see if I can increase win rate. But I entered there, stop was above that high, ended up getting stopped. And yeah, I mean, it is what it is. I still think this was a pretty good trade. I mean, I could have not predicted that we would have flipped structure right here. After, you got that 1 hour close. I mean, in this 1 hour, to be honest, looks like it's gonna go higher. So I could have not predicted that when, you got the 1 hour, the 15, the 5, and the 1 minute telling me to go bearish. And it just ended up being like, the end of the trend. That said, hope you enjoyed. As you guys, oh, one more thing, account is at 50,900. That said, hope you enjoyed, and I see you guys tomorrow for another day.